I'm excited to share with you the all-new 2019 Chevy Traverse. And whether you're looking to carry a large family or just want an SUV with plenty of room and a sleek look, the 2019 Chevy Traverse is a great midsize SUV, my top pick, and here's why. There are a few reasons why the 2019 Chevrolet Traverse was named J.D. Power's most dependable SUV and also in the top 10 of family vehicles by Parents and Edmunds. Plus, the 2019 Chevrolet Traverse received an overall 5-star score for vehicle safety. And with available seating for up to 8 and this advanced sliding second row seat, makes it really easy to load up the family. And what's really helpful, especially when you add your hand side, is the hands-free liftgate. A few standout features include hidden storage, rear camera mirror, and surround vision technology. And what I really love most about the Traverse is its impressive performance. With an available 3.6-liter V6 engine, 9-speed transmission, and towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds. And with impressive performance out of the 3.6-liter V6 motor, what's going to really blow your mind is the 2.0-liter turbo. And when in traction mode, you can adjust your vehicle's performance on challenging road surfaces with just the simple turn of a dial. Got teens that are learning to drive? The Teen Driver technology is revolutionary. This includes a number of key safety features, from muting the radio until the front passengers are safely buckled, automatically turning on available safety features like lane change and blind spot alerts, a forward collision alert, rear park assist, and forward automatic braking. The in-vehicle report card shows you how your Teen Driver performed in key categories to help you identify problems where you can coach your new driver on improvements. This all-new Traverse also keeps you and your family connected through the My Chevrolet mobile app, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in 4G LTE Wi-Fi. Plus, there are also USB ports available in every row. And this is a quick overview of the 2019 Chevrolet Traverse, the midsize SUV that flexes and fits to your family needs.